No. We're on the bike ride here. David and Zach and me.
Hi.
So we're just doing a bike riding thing here. Let's go a little faster. Zach's on a crappy bike, so he can't go far.
Fuck you, Chance.
You. He's got pegs in the front. He looks like a little bee princess. Yeah.
World's coolest truck. Chevy. Don't die now.
Okay. Now we're going to go up a little farther. Okay, we're going to turn around.
Holy crap! You fell!
That's first. Down we go!
Ah! Holy crap, I dropped the pedal. My bike sucks!
Hey, volleyball!
Where are we going? Volleyball net, evidently. Dude, I want the tractor! Okay, we saw the world's coolest truck. Now you see the world's coolest tractor. John Deere, don't forget about it. Don't forget about it. Rock on. Better get going! Ah! You're too far. Right up! Alright. CZ Classic Vids. Gotta go. Bye.